Hi, I'm Michael Breed. Here's your weekly golf fix tip. Thanks so much for all the emails. We're throwing them onto the internet here. This one comes from Kevin from California. I've learned so much already. I'm a tall golfer at 6'4" and a 9 handicap. I have always had difficulty trying to figure out how far out to play the ball from my body. Whenever I try to stand more upright and stand closer to the ball, I shank it terribly. How can I decide how far to stand from the ball and stop the shanks? Very, very simple. And posture is critical here. Right, let's jump over to camera 3 here, just so I can go through a couple things. First, you get set up. You want your arms to hang a little bit away from you so they're slightly on an angle. They're not straight down like this. Second thing is that you want the shaft of the club to come into the belt line. You don't want it to come into the thighs right here, and you don't want it to go up into your shoulders like that there, which happens when you get a little too close to the ball. You stand up there like that, and the shaft of the club starts getting a little too tall, and then when you come in and your weight starts to move, the hosel of the club nears the ball. So you get in that proper position right there. Now my body is balanced, and the final thing you're checking is where's the weight in my foot? Do I have it out on the toes? Am I out on the heels? Or am I sitting right in the middle of the arches right there? That's what you want to do, and then I promise you don't have to say shanks. Kevin, I know that'll help you. Tune in to Golf Channel Monday nights at 8 Eastern and get your game fixed.